Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, from which we can select one that we want to work on. And then in the editing menu, we scroll in the bottom bar and find the filters button. If we tap on this, then we are going to be presented with a large array of different kinds of filters, and for some reason it doesn't really open up, but we can select different kinds of filters from this list. We can adjust them, we can set the video quality, and then after tapping OK, it is going to be applied to our project. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.